Okay, we have another example for writing the equation of a circle. Let me sort of X that out right there. We're writing an equation of a circle with a diameter with endpoints that are given to us. Now, last time we were given a center and an endpoint, and that was pretty easy because all we needed to do was find the radius. Because if you'll remember, the equation of a circle is of the form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And the only thing we had to do, we just plugged that center in right here, and then we found the distance right here for the radius. Okay, but this isn't what we're given this time. We're given two endpoints. And I need a center so that I can plug it into the equation of the circle right there. And I also need to know this distance. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is find the midpoint so that I have something to plug into that equation of the circle for h and k. The midpoint is an average. All you do is take your x values, add them together, and divide by 2. And then take your y values, add them together, and divide by 2. So this is the midpoint. Once I have the midpoint, I can plug it in right here and right here for h and k. So I say -2, the first x value, plus the second x value of 4 divided by 2, and 1 plus 3 divided by 2. And this is going to be a coordinate. It's the averages between the x's and the averages between the y's. -2 plus 4 is 2, 2 divided by 2, and 1 plus 3 is 4 divided by 2, and that gives me the coordinate 1, 2 when I simplify that down, and that's my midpoint. That's my center. So now I have a center and two endpoints. 1, 2 is the center. I can also fill this into my equation of the circle. Remember, x minus really h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And right here I can plug in, well, x minus 1 and y minus 2. I have a few options as far as finding r squared. I could find the distance. Remember, the endpoints were -2, 1, and 4, 3. I could find the distance between several different points. I have 3 points on the screen right here. But I think what's easiest to do is find the distance between your center right here, and I usually use the first endpoint. So now we're going to go back and remember that distance formula. It is the square root of x minus x squared plus y minus y squared. Okay, so I'm going to use that center first, and I'm going to say 1 minus -2 squared plus 2 minus, let's go back, minus 1. So where did I get these numbers? I said the x value of the center minus the x value of the first endpoint, and then the y value of the center minus the y value of the first endpoint. Okay, simplifying this down. Sorry, it's a little sloppy. 1 minus -2 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 3 squared is 9. 1 squared is 1. So we have the square root of 10. And I don't think the square root of 10 simplifies, because 10's 2 times 5. They're both prime, nothing repeats. But I can finish my equation of a circle, okay, that we started here. I can say x minus 1 squared plus y minus the y value of the center, which was 2, and then r squared. Okay, well, r, we found the distance between this point, the center, and the endpoint. We found that distance right there to be the square root of 10, which is r. And when I square the square root of 10, I just get 10. So this is the final answer.